Like to welcome all my niggas from uptown, downtown, in town, out of town. We got it going on. 145 is famous, baby. Here we go. It's the world famous Bruce B on a special mix tip for all my player niggas, all my niggas getting paper. Ladies looking good, fellas y'all looking good. We get money uptown style, alright? Big shout out to my niggas from 155, 112, 149, 49 is in the house.
Thinking of a master plan. This ain't nothing but sweat inside my hands. So I dig into my pocket, all my money spent, so I can leave the bill coming up the lint. So I start my mission, leave my residence, thinking how I'm gonna get the dead presidents. I need money. I used to be a stick-up kid, so I think of all the devious things I did. I used to roll up. This is a whole up, sitting up funny, got smiling. We still don't nothing move but the money. But now I learn to earn 'cause I'm righteous. I feel great, so maybe I might just take for a 9 to 5. If I strive, then maybe I'll stay alive. So I walk up the street.
This is the stage. If you was here, you was definitely somebody.
A nice big plate of fish, which is my favorite dish. But without no money, it's still a wish. 'Cause I don't like to dream about getting paid. So I dig into the books of the rhymes that I made. Then I test to see if I got pulled.
And I was there.
Another one. Drive slow, homie. Drive slow, homie. Thanks. You never know, homie. Let me suppose, homie. You need to pump your brakes and drive slow, homie. My homie Molly used to stay 79th and May. One of my best friends from back in the day. Down the street from Calumet, a school full of stones. He nicknamed me K-Rock, so there, leave me alone. Bulls jacket with his hat broke way off, and walked around the mall with his radio face off. Plus he had a spinner from his Dayton's in his hand, keys in his hand. Reason again to let you know he's the man. Back when we rocked the leases, he had dreams of caprices. Drove by the teachers, even more by police. How he get the cash today? His father passed away, left him with a little something. 16, he was stunting. I'll be sure, nigga, with the hair all wavy. Hit Lake Shore, girls go all crazy. Hit the freeway, go at least about 80. Want so much that summer, even had him a baby. See, back then, if you had a car, you was the Chi-Town version of Baby, and I was just a virgin of Baby. One of the reasons I looked up to him crazy. I used to love to play my demo tape when the system yanked. Felt like I was almost signed when the shit got cranked. We'd take a Saturday and just circle the mall. They had their Lincolns and Auroras, we was hurting them all. With the girls, a lot of flirting involved. But dog, fuck all that flirting, I'm trying to get in some draws. So, put me on with these hoes, homie. He told me don't rush to get grown. Drive slow, homie. Drive slow, homie. Drive slow. You never know, homie, about these hoes, homie. You need to pump your brakes and drive.
Here's your thing, baby. Doing numbers.
What the fuck going on around here, man?
Oh my God, it's crazy over there, man. For real. 5th annual Cream City Car Show. It's going down in the major way at Prime Social. Oh my God, it's crazy. All the cars, the hood got some money.
What?
Real, so you know the hood got some money. They out. It's a hot day. Everybody's sweating. We thirsty. It's going down. Shout out to Big Suge. Music by Manny. I'm smooth as butter. It's going down.
Yeah. I mean, like, I gotta be like the pioneer to this shit, you know? I was popping that Cristal when a lot of y'all niggas thought it was beer and shit, you know? Wearing that platinum shit when all y'all chicks thought it was silver.
5th annual Cream City Car Show. Best in the Midwest, Milwaukee, Chicago, Detroit.
See how I do. Check. Yo, I spit that other shit. That's a nice motherfucker shit. Bedtime follow me around. Deep cover shit, nigga. You bear money. I'm all year money. I'm popping, you ain't gotta count it. It's all their money. I never change money, cause niggas got strange money. Knocked up, marked up, fucked up in the game money. I got bail money, double XL money. You got flash now, but time will reveal money. I spit the hottest shit, you need it, I got it shit. That down south Master P, bout it shit. I got blood money, straight up thug money. That brown paper bag under your mattress, drug money. You got show dough, little to no dough. sell a bunch of records and you still owe dough. I got 996 plus 4 more dough. You crazy, you fugazi. I'm loco with dough, Papo.
See the horses, what up now? Hey.
I mean, it's imaginary niggas, man. Run up on you in the street and stick you.
Please be careful when you pet the
Like
horses.
niggas knew me before rap and shit. Shit ain't got nothing to do with rap. You don't see my face? Gotta show y'all your cats out. I'm uncomfortable, dog. Anyway, I don't know you. And now you got these young cats acting like they slung caps. All in they dumb raps, talking about how they fun stack. When I see them in the street, I don't see none of that. Damn, Playboy, what the fuck is the hum at? Where's all the ice with all the platinum under that? Those ain't Rolex diamonds, what the fuck you done to that? Y'all rapping ass niggas, y'all funny to me. You selling records being you, but still you wanna be me. I guess for every buck you make, it's like 100 for me. And still you running around thinking you got something on me. But I done did it, and y'all wanna take my flow and run with it. That's cool, I was the first one with it. Original, jig is the future flow, digital. Still busting the gap when shit gets critical. Sit it down, I don't want y'all to get it confused. I rip it down, like I ain't got nothing to lose. I get it down. Startup money. Groupies, I leave them all fuck. Niggas all struck. Your single was 99 cents, mine was $4. Last year when niggas thought it was all up, but this year I've done it again. Jigga, what the fuck? Niggas stop whining, Jigga, still shining. Niggas kept complaining, so I cop more diamonds. Rock more Versace, ain't nothing sweet. I still throw a tree in your body, flee in the party. Y'all can't go with me, nope, flow with me. Bet 50, not dollars either, I bought some dough with me. I flow like the 5 Series in various areas and blow holes in you weak niggas' theories. It's funny how one verse could fuck up the game. You bought a 4.0, you better get your change. Ain't no platinum in those Cartiers, switch your frames. Ain't no manicures on board, then switch your planes. Yeah, I mean like, be truthful, man. How you think you gon' feel, right? You pull up in your 4.0 with your bitch. I pull up at the 4.6 with my bitch, the ski bags, bumping some other shit. You know, some other shit. You probably hop on my dick right there, right in front of your bitch. Asking some stupid shit like, yo, dog, what's the difference between a 4.0 and a 4.6? Like 30 to 40 grand, cocksucker, beat it. Them shits even got leathers?
My boy.
When I pull up, it's over. Oh, I pull up, it's over. When I pull up, it's over. Oh, I pull up, it's over. When I pull up, it's over. Oh, I pull up, it's better. Cuff your chin, cuff your chin. Here legit, this legit. When I pull up, it's over. Oh, I pull up, it's over. When I pull up, it's over. Oh, I pull up, it's over. When I pull up, it's over. Oh, I pull up, it's better. Cuff your chin, here legit, bitch. 5 in the morning, riding, yawning, can't turn my beat up. On the way to a Bible with a grip that I can kick my feet up. See the candy was shining, freshly priming, first time I seen her. Now she wanna ride high with her head in the sky and look down on all her people. Ain't it crazy how pavement be cracking when I'm slapping them bows? Hoes go to jump in and can't find the handles on my doors. So much working and working in here, I should install a pole for them strippers that love to suck and fuck and get down on the floor. Transformers can't fuck with this. Not the way my dough flip. Skyscraper tall when I creep crawl at that crib or solar clips. Rise of the apes in my trunk. When my terrier swing down. Make a pro catch goes like the rap show pro when my old school come around. When I pull up, it's over. Oh, I pull up, it's over. Oh, I pull up, it's over.
Real
Oh, I
players,
pull
man.
up, it's over. When I pull up, it's over. Oh, I pull up, it's better. Cuff your chin, cuff your chin. Here legit, I pull up, it's over. Oh, I pull up, it's over. When I pull up, it's over. Oh, I pull up, it's over. When I pull up, it's over. Oh, I pull up, it's better. Cuff your chin, here legit.
Say bitch, I pulled up on the curb, straight peeled off with your girl. Said she wanna ride with a pimp, wanna get that dick that she deserves. 7 black seats off tougher than a pillar top. Paint so wet that it hit the spot and I'ma quench your thirst. Man, little nigga should've did it first. You was holding hands and I was in a purse. I'm getting
What's going on, man?
Hey, man, I'm gonna tell you like this. August 8th, Juvenile.
Hey, box that mother. City Car Show, 5th annual. Y'all know I'm out here with it. We got some toys out here too, man.
Yes,
Damn near a kilo right here.
What's going on around here, man?
nobody that really won.
Yeah, what the fuck going on?
Yeah, they know what's going on. If you ain't fuck with doing numbers, you ain't fuck with no motherfucking body. We at OD, Brian, out to the night 2026 Car Show, Green City in this bitch.
What? Fuck going on?
Man, these niggas better recognize.
Yeah.
All I can say, baby.
Whole city came out.
They here. Show them. It's here. It's here.
What they do, bro? Motherfucking boss. He be the man behind the scene that catch everything. The lost bitch diamond ring and the lost nigga heart. But you played 2 times and 2 times, hey, you got what?
Queen's here.
What? Whole lot of boss shit going on. Yeah, what made you pick this color?
This is the color cancer I had.
Okay, okay.
This lime green, 7 years cancer free, and then the red is my favorite color. So have to combine them 2 colors.
UGK for life, for real, and I'm gone when I
Yeah, how you feeling?
Good vibes out here.
There's more to come. Y'all been doing nothing. You ain't doing nothing. You ain't doing nothing.